Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the micro SD capacity and speed class because the adapter is passive. Its job is bridging contacts, not boosting performance. Once done, inspect both the card and adapter contacts under a light. Debris causes failures. Insert with the card's label facing away from contacts, aligning the notch with the adapter groove. Push gently until you feel a soft stop. Force ruins pins. Make sure the card sits flush. This ensures electrical contact and reduces reads. Once the adapter is assembled, plug it into a reliable reader or device port to avoid intermittent contacts. You should use a direct USB port rather than a hub when possible, because hubs can introduce power or timing issues. If your OS prompts to unlock or initialize the card, follow that flow. Format only if necessary, choosing FAT32 or XFAT for compatibility. Make sure you wait for the mount confirmation. Rushing file transfers before the device is ready risks corruption. You can now transfer files. Use drag and drop or a transfer app that verifies checksums when integrity matters, because the adapter passes signals directly and errors can happen. Once transfers finish, always use the OS eject or safely remove function to flush write caches. This prevents partial writes. If the card fails to appear or shows errors, reseat it, try a different reader, and test on another device before you format. That troubleshooting step often isolates adapter versus card faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.